come back on. Better. Battleship. I'm about to climb this roof. Oh my fucking god.
Dave almost just
got hit by a
fucking
football.
died.
That was crazy. What? Yeah. Huge miss. You suck, Nick. Yeah, and they haven't asked. Miss. Oh, an ass. Yeah. This is really hot, by the way. There's a bug on my arm.
Wait, there's more people?
Yeah, please don't hit me. I guess they never miss, huh?
Guess I never missed, huh?
Why? That almost hit me. That was really.
Wait, restart the game. Yo, Dave, tell me to add a rule, right?
What?
Hey, if you try and catch it, but you fumble it, you're out.
Guys, Ethan said if you try to catch it and you fumble it, you're out.
Wait, no, you're not allowed to catch it.
Ethan, you're not allowed to catch it.
What?
You're not allowed to catch it.
Not allowed to catch it?
No. Anas, go back on the other side.
Okay, go! Matt, go quick. Wait, Matt.
Abandoned train track adventures.
This is fucking crazy, dog. Bro.
You really? Is that a train? Sounds like a train.
Run towards it, play chicken with the train, whoever moves first wins.
Yep.
Good bet.
No, we have to stand. You have to stand right here in the middle. Whoever jumps out first loses.
Okay, first one, let's see it. Just walk into a bit. I really want to walk like halfway down there, but I'm also like scared because if we're down there, it's fucked.
We got this.
Okay, I'm taking this side.
We'll know if it's coming when we.
Whoa.
We'll know it's coming when we hear the buzzing. Why would you do that?
Oh my god. I found a burnt 25 cents.
That's literally. Oh, they flatten it.
Why?
Like they put it on the track and then they flatten it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this now. I don't care how long it fucking takes.
I'm gonna do that too.
I want my fucking quarter.
I want mine to be a nickel.
He's vlogging too. Go add up his vlog. What's up, buddy? The train's gonna come from down over there. It already came near us.
Echo! Oh fuck, I slipped. Damn, I'm actually out here hiding and shit. Fuck. Oh my god! Oh, I found one. Your quarter.
Sweet. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. Take a picture.
It's not that hot.
Feel it.
Okay, yeah, it is hot. Stop it. Where's mine? I found one. Oh fuck. No! It came back way earlier. It came back way earlier than last time. Caleb, fucking get out of here.
Fuck out of here. I'm so fucking done with this shit. What if he's just resting?
He's literally playing with a dead bird.
What if he's just
You
resting?
fucking psychopath.
I thought he's resting.